G'day guys, and welcome to our June newsletter, where we take a look back at what we've been up to as a company, provide some inspiration for your next video project, and if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use media for your business, then we've got some tips, tricks and strategies. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of GINGERBEAD Media. We shoot professional marketing content for your website and social media. Today we're down in the beautiful Canning River Regional Park, but you may have noticed that we've been missing in our newsletters recently, and that's because I was in New Zealand for a quick break. Absolutely terrible place, and I cannot recommend going there enough. Anyway, despite my travels, the company was still editing and delivering videos predominantly shot from last month, and those included 2 videos for Ear Science Institute Australia that were shown at their big fundraising gala event on the big screen. We also delivered 5 videos for Toyota and West Coast, and those have predominantly been seen online. And as we hit the 6th month mark of the year, we've actually calculated that we've delivered 250 videos for Perth-based businesses. So if you're looking for a business who has a track record of delivery, we'd love to have a chat. But as usual, it wasn't just about delivering great marketing content for Perth-based businesses. We're also releasing a whole bunch of free education resources for those who are looking to shoot media for their business. We do this through our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. And this month we released articles on the importance of captions, a simple trick to sync audio between 2 cameras, and we also provided our thoughts on Instagram TV, the new platform from Instagram. Not forgetting that we've actually taken all of this video content and made it into a podcast for those who love the podcast thing. So a busy couple of months and plenty more to come. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in talking more about how video could help your business, I'd love to have a chat. GINGERBEAD Media, get on beard.